Unlocking a quotation. A quotation should only be unlocked if it's not been sent to the client. If it has been sent to the client, then a revised quotation should be done. But that's always going to be the case when you complete a quotation, think, oops, I forgot to add something, or I need to check something, I need to amend it before I send it to the client. And then you need to unlock it and then complete it. So to unlock the quotation, go to Departments, Estimating, Quotations, Unlock Quotation, type in the quotation number, the system will locate it, and then you can click Unlock Quotation. Now, if you've forgotten the quote number, the easiest way to find that is to go to Departments, Sales, Inquiry Leads, Amend Inquiry Lead, and that gives you the facility to search for that quotation by any of these criteria. Probably the most common one is you'll know who the company it was for. So we can say that the customer name is part of the company name, type that in there, click search, system will find it. We can then see the quotation number there, but just to be doubly sure, go to your accounts valuation screen, and you'll see that the quotation is listed there. So we now know that it's quotation 2803. So save and close, come out of this inquiry, back to your dashboard, to Departments, Estimating, Quotations, Unlock Quotation, type in the number, then click Unlock Quotation. System will ask for a passcode just to be sure that you are really meaning to do this. The password by default with the system is BOSS, BOSS. May have been changed by your administrator, that you'll need to check. So enter the access code, click continue. Tells you a written quotation has been recorded as printed, so please make sure that that's retrieved and destroyed, because you don't want the original quote floating around when you're going to change it and generate a quote with the same number. So just agree with that. It's now telling me that it's been unlocked. Now, because that quotation was distributed to me, it's automatically appeared on my to be continued dashboard. If the quote wasn't created by you initially, you can go to Departments, Estimating, Quotations, and Continue Current Quotation. Find it from that list there, double click on it. System will then load all the bill items, and then it's ready for you to complete. Now, the first thing you'll notice here that all the costs have disappeared from this column, and everything has now been put in the fixed cell items. That's because when you completed the quote, the system then has taken all the margins that you asked for and then created the profit on each of your bill items, so they now have a fixed sell price. To get these back to your cost figures, if you want to actually amend your profit margins so that you can change the facilities here, simply from your bill schedule of works, go to your bill options functions, go to status options, and then say convert all items to cost status. So clicking on that, it will ask you to confirm that. The items will then be put back to a cost status. So when I go back to my summary, the system will be able to split out all the various elements again for me to put the required percentages on. And that's all there is to unlocking a quotation.